Limang guro na nagpakita ng pambihirang sipag at disiplina sa kanilang serbisyo ang kabilang sa mga awardee ng Ambassador Antonio Cabangon Jr. Gintong Parangal para sa edukasyon. Limang DepEd superintendents naman ang ginawaran ng Pamumuno Award. Ang mga awardee ay mula sa iba't ibang rehiyon, kabilang ang National Capital Region, Bicol, Davao, Soxargen, Caraga, Calabarzon at Mimaropa.
Important din na i-award natin yung mga leaders. The influence and the inspiration that we gave to our co-workers are what we need so that everybody will be moving in one direction to really achieve the grand goals of DepEd. And that includes access, quality, and relevant and liberating education for all.
The award that we've given has been classified as a national award. May effect yan not only in prestige, pero meron siyang effect sa salary and a promotion.